How to make a stand in Please Donate. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to make a stand in Please Donate. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, find an empty stand in Please Donate Plaza. After that, what you need to do is stand in front of the stand and press E. Then simply select claim this stand, and then you will successfully create a stand in Please Donate. So simply enter the name of your stand and then click create. Now your stand will be now created. Remember to choose a catchy name, images and text for your stand. So in this very simple way you could create a stand in Please Donate Roblox. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to